Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a CSS Wavy animation, text animation. So let's get started and get into coding. So first of all we will create a new HTML file named as index.html. Now we will write our title, which will be Wavy text animation. Now let's add our CSS file. Now we will create a div with the class Wavy, and inside it we will write our letters separated in a span elements. Now we will add our variable inside our style for spans, which we will use in our animation. Now we will write our CSS. So first of all we will assign our padding and margin, which will be 0. And now let's add our font family. Now let's check how it looks. So it is looking good. So now we will write our CSS for our body element. Now we will write our CSS for our Wavy div. Now let's write our CSS for span element inside our Wavy div. So it is looking good. Now let's add some font, make it bigger, and let's add some mirror effects as well. Now let's check. So mirror is showing correctly. Now let's make our text size bigger. Now let's add some animation as well. Now let's check how it is looking. So now font is good enough, and it is not animating, so let's add our keyframe. Now let's check how it is animating. So it is animating correctly right now. So let's add some CSS to make them animate at a different interval. So we will use our variable which we assigned earlier. Now let's check. They are still animating at the same time. Oh, I have not added a span element after wavy div, so let's add it and check. Now let's check. So now it is animating correctly. Now you can change the text and check it for yourself. So remember me in your prayers and keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.